Hi everyone! So today, right, I'm going to show you our latest hydrating sheet mask, okay? So this is very good. If you're having a wedding coming up, right, I recommend that you use this one before your wedding so that later when you put on your makeup, right, it's very luminous and radiant skin. So I'm going to show you how. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do this. So first, we are going to fold. Fold and fold
Pijak.
and
Piak.
finally I did it! Okay, as a makeup artist, right, for over more than 20 years, right, I recommend why you must have luminous radiant skin as a bride because then later when your makeup will last longer that day and you look very fresh. Okay, so I'm going to take it out right now. So the juice are already packed into this mask, so I'm going to take it out right now. It's full of juice, as in like the nutrients, right? Of hyaluronic acid inside. Okay, very rich in antioxidant. Okay, make sure everything is con focus on it. Make sure everything is really like with the essence on it. Okay, so you can see some of it because I didn't squeeze properly, so the thing didn't go in. So having two for the price of one. So DM me for information, and all you have to do is squeeze the essence and paste on it for about 20 minutes. Then you can do it when you travel or when you want to like have a good sleep. Okay, you put for about 10 to 15 minutes. It is super moisturizing, and then when you put on your makeup right later, it's you will love it. And I, as a makeup artist, will love your skin because when I put on makeup, right, your makeup will be very luminous, radiant skin like mine, and your makeup will last long that day. All right, so DM me for information. Follow my Telegram.